Hey, what's up guys? It's Zin. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on two of the iPhone 11s. So one is mine and one is not, but someone very close to me is letting me unbox theirs on camera, so this should be fun. So this is the regular iPhone 11, so we have it in black and we have it in white. So let's go ahead. So here, this little tab over here, and you can open it. Look at that. So sleek. And then it just opens right like that, and it's very easy, and it comes off in one piece. Okay, and then we open it, and there it is. Here it is in the black. Looks great so far. Okay, and then let's take it out. So here it is. I got it in black because, so this one is mine. I got it in black because I like that it matches the rim around on the front as well. And then the back, it has shiny black. And here are the two cameras and the flash. Okay. All right. So here is the peel. Okay. I'm so excited for this. Okay. Oh, so nice. Okay. Alright, oh, it's so clean. Okay, so let's see if we can turn this on. So yeah, it looks very, very nice. Okay, so let me just show what's inside the box while we wait for that. So it comes with this, the care booklet. It comes with the stickers. So here we have the stickers. And here it tells you how to input your SIM card if you guys have any trouble with that. It gets the care booklet, and then it comes with the AirPods, of course, and with the AirPods is also this part that attaches to the cord. So now it's just saying hello to me, I guess. Yeah, so that's still loading up, but as you can see, it looks very nice with the black all around. And this is just, this is what the black looks like. Looking very, very sleek and nice. And it comes with a charger, a small charger, and the USB, and everything is included in there. And for comparison, I don't know if anybody has it, but I have the iPhone 6s, and here is the size comparison. So it's a lot bigger, even the screen. The actual phone size is pretty similar. This one's a little bigger, but the screen is definitely bigger on the iPhone 11. Okay. So that is the black iPhone 11. So now, let's try to open this white one. I'm excited for the white. I didn't actually know they had it in white, but I think it's a really good color, especially with the glass. So there it is. And here it goes. Okay, so here it is, and I'm gonna open this up, and this is the white one. It looks so sleek. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. You can tell it's not a stark white because the box is a stark white, but this is more of like, I want to say pearl. So it looks really good though. And I love how it blends in up here with the camera. Wow, that looks really good. Okay. And then this part is silver and like a mirror metallic, I guess. Okay. So here, the front is black, of course. And let's do the peeling. Looking good. Okay. Looking very good. Okay. Oh, and the sides aren't white, is it? Doesn't seem like they're white. It seems like they're silver. So that's a nice touch. So it goes white, silver, and black trim. So same thing. It gives you the little booklet with the care package, the stickers, and it has the AirPods in here with the part that connects to the phone, and the charger part. It comes with a charger and the small brick for it. The small wall charger part. This one was the black, and let me just do a little comparison. So this is the white, what it looks like. Very, very pretty. And here is the black. The black is actually a little, I want to say a little dark grayish. A little bit. It's not like fully black, and it's not matte. It's definitely glossy, and this is the white. And the black is more reflective, I think. You can definitely see everything going on in the background, whereas the white, you can't really see that much reflection on it. but both the Apple logos are silver. Looks really good. And I think the camera part on the white looks a lot better just because it blends in a lot more seamlessly in comparison to the black. And the front, of course, is the same. The black has black trimming, and then the white has the silver trimming. It's definitely a lot prettier in person, I have to say. I didn't realize that the white was going to be this pretty. I do like the black also, though. I love the black on black. Alright, so that does it for the 2 unboxings. So here was the white, and here's the black. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!